Are you looking for a heavily built offshore convertible with real cruising equipment already aboard? Today we're stepping aboard this 1984 Uniflite 38 convertible, a proven West Coast hull equipped with a generator, hookah dive system, air compressor, folding bow pulpit, Davit crane, and a dinghy with an outboard. This one's set up to actually use immediately. Hi, I'm Lou with South Mountain Yachts, and today we're standing on this 1984 Uniflite 38 convertible. Now, if you're familiar with Uniflites, you'll know that they're built solid, an extra strong hull, great layouts, and they're known for their offshore handling capabilities. So come with me as we preview moonshine here today at South Mountain Yachts. The cockpit is generous for a 38-footer. There's plenty of working room for fishing. You can even add a fighting chair. There's high freeboard for safety offshore, bait tank, washdowns, in-deck fish boxes with macerator, walk-through transom, and off to starboard, we've got our control station right there. The space works for anglers, divers, or dockside entertainment. The proportions are right, not oversized, not cramped. Up on the Flybridge, we have excellent all-around visibility. Bench seating forward of the helm allows guests to sit comfortably without crowding the captain. There are clear sight lines fore and aft, an elevated position for spotting kelp, traffic, or conditions ahead. Note the upgraded bucket captain's chairs and a full complement of electronics, both at the helm and up in the box. Above, we've got a walk-on hardtop for even more visibility. One thing you'll notice immediately is the wide side decks with handholds going forward. This allows safe movement. Up at the bow, this boat is equipped with a folding bow pulpit, giving you flexibility at the dock, and it saves on slip space. We also have a freshwater washdown, foot pedals to operate the windlass, and multiple cleats here. This vessel is equipped with a Nissan 4-stroke outboard and a 9-foot inflatable Carib dinghy, which when deflated sits quite comfortably here. There's also a davit for easy lift, and we've got a paddleboard rack right here for more water sports. Stepping inside, you'll find the desirable 2-stateroom galley-up layout. The large salon windows bring in natural light, comfortable seating areas, solid cabinetry with classic yacht styling. We've got custom seagrass decking, L-shaped dinette seating over there, and we have opening windows. We also have zone heat and air conditioning. Behind this cabinet right here is a large storage area for gear. This galley up configuration keeps everyone connected. We've got a large amount of practical counter space, refrigeration below, storage below also for extended trips. Got a 3-burner stove with oven, dual basin sink, and above we have appliances such as microwave, ice maker, and toaster oven. This allows a nice view all the way around. Moving forward to the living quarters down below, we see on to port, we have our wet head right there. our master berth right in front of us. And to starboard, we've got our bunk room right there. The bunks are full size. Entry to the head is from the private master suite or through the hallway. It features a vacuum flush head system and a separate stand-up shower stall. This layout features a lot of exterior cockpit space for fishing and water sports, entertainment, and on the inside we have lots of room for livability, which makes this vessel very desirable and in high demand. This layout has been extremely popular and continues to be so. If you're familiar with Uniflites, then you know they're known for their solid construction and offshore handling capability. By 1984, Uniflite had corrected the blister problems which plagued the earlier versions. These hulls, if they're well maintained, survey well, and are solid boats in the past and going forward. If you're looking for a vessel in the 35 to 45 foot sportfisher range or convertible, then Moonshine deserves a look. If you want to look, you can contact me, Lou, at South Mountain Yachts. I can provide additional specifications and details. A couple questions for you, the viewer. What are the favorite features and when are you going to take her? Viewer today, owner tomorrow at South Mountain Yachts. And if you like these videos, make sure you hit like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.